Students, good morning all of you. Yesterday we discussed about the data modeling. Some part. Are you remember? Yes. Data modeling. What you learned from yesterday class? Dilemma. Okay. Modeling of AI. Okay. What is meant by model? What is meant by model? Modeling of AI, okay. What is meant by modeling? What process we can say as a model in AI? Developing algorithm, very good. Developing algorithm. If you want to complete any task or any work, you are following some procedure to complete that work now. That is only called as a algorithm. Here in AI project we are telling that is a modeling. Okay, or we can say another one also, that is a logic. Okay, then what about the classification of the model? Classification of model. Oh, can you see the presentation? Okay, so instead of writing on the board, I am using this one. We can continue. About artificially become intelligent. Okay, so the classification of models. Here we can classify by two approach. One is a rule-based approach and another one is a learning-based approach. So in the word itself, it is written what is a meaning. The first one of that is a rule-based approach. Rule. What is meant by rule? What is meant by rule? Anybody? Rule-based approach. That means what we are telling the procedure and what data we are providing. So based on that data, based on that procedure or the rule, it will be performed and it provide the desired output or intelligent output. That is called as a rule-based approach. In the rule-based approach, the developer, actually this is classified by the developers only. That is the researchers, AI researchers. Okay. So the developers will be what is a rule to complete this task. For example, we already discussed about the salary system. No? In salary system, how to calculate the DA, HRA, CCA, and other incentive, bonus, everything, increment, everything. Okay. So according to that rule, it will calculate each and everything. Then all the deduction one side and benefit one side. Then different it will be given as a net salary. So same procedure it will be followed here. So what is the rules for calculation and how to calculate the gross salary, how to calculate the deduction, how to calculate the net salary, everything will be there. So according to that rule and what is the data you are given now? Employee and employee basic salary. So based on that data, it will perform. Okay, that is a rule based. Okay, now a rule based approach is generally based on the data and rules fed to the machine. So where the machine reacts accordingly to deliver the desired output. So according to the rule, according to the data, it will do that process, then finally it will deliver the data or output. Okay, that is a rule based approach. By diagrammatically we can mention here, for example, you see this is a rule based approach. Okay, rule based approach. Here what we are, the developers are giving rule also, rule or logic, or we can say that is algorithmic process. Next here they are giving the data also. This both also feed to the machines. That is the rule based approach. Then it will deliver the output. What type of output? Intelligent output or desired intelligent output or desired output. Okay, it is a function of the now it's visible. Okay, that is a rule based. So here the developers are giving rule also and also data also. So the machine will do according to this rule and data, then it will deliver the output. It is a simple calculation, only it is doing. Actually here we are using the data visualization. That technique we are using to make the developers understanding or the audience understanding. But the machine not understand the visual form and all. It understand only the mathematical form. Okay, so that only we are giving in the programming language, using the programming language. Clear? Yes, attendance I will take. Why you are bothered about the board? Okay. Next, another one approach is that is a learning based approach. In the learning based approach, what is happening? The machine is fed with the data and the desired output. So what we are having the data, that also we are giving, and what we want the output, that also we are giving. But the machine will decide what is the rules to provide the desired output based on the given data. That is in the second approach. That is another one, learning based approach. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Here, the developers are giving data also. Yes, data. And what output is required, that is also we are giving. Desired output. Or intelligent output. It is a learning based approach. The system will decide the rules. The system will decide the rules. Understand? That is a learning based. That we can say ML and DL. Machine learning and deep learning will do this one second one, learning based approach. I will give one example. Online demo is there, some model is there in the online. I will show that model, then you can understand more and more about this approach. Okay. So that is a classification of an AI models. So what we discussed now, that is I represented in the diagrammatically. So easily you can understand. It is given in your book also. So AI models. In the AI model, two approaches there. One is a rule based and another one is a learning based approach. This learning based approach primarily we are having machine learning, and another one that is a deep learning. That we will discuss with some examples so you can understand more and about that one. It is a classification of models. Next, role-based approach. We will discuss with one example. So here, the AI modeling relationship or patterns in data are defined by the developers. So the developer will decide what is the relation between the data, then what is the rule to follow. That is mentioned by the developer. So the machine follows the rules whatever given by the developer, and rules or instruction or algorithm are same only. Okay. Then perform its task accordingly based on the given data. For example, suppose you have a data set comprising of 100 images of apple, 100 images of apple, and 100 images of banana. You have to train the machine with the label, because apple, the small size is there, big size is there, then various colors are there. So various size is there, various colors is there, and that surface thickness also different is there. So and same thing banana also. Single banana is there, and group of banana is there. Then sizes also various sizes are there, and colors also various colors are there. Some banana is coming with the green color, something is coming with the yellow color. Okay, that way we have to train the machine. Okay, 100 images of banana and 100 images of apple. I am taking one example. You can take anything, whatever you want to train. Okay. Next, we have to test the machine with the images of an apple. We have to show one apple. Okay. Then the system will compare with the existing image, whatever stored in the system. Then it will display it is an apple. Suppose instead of apple, it is displaying some other name, mean your model is wrong. Understand? So here what we are given? Sample data also we had given. Images of apple and images of banana with name we had given. Okay? Apple mean what are the images? What are the possibility? All the images we have to give. Same thing. Banana, what are the possibility images? That all the one we have to give. Okay. Then when we are showing the testing data mean which you want to find, that we have to show. Then the system will detect and display it is a banana, it is an apple, then it is correct. Because the AI system will detect the image 97.75%. Okay. That we will go with one example. That I will show one diagram. Actually, I said 100 images, but I cannot show the 100 images here. So I am taking 8 apple image and 8 banana image. 8 banana image. Each and every image I am labeling. Every image I am labeling. Apple, banana. That's like I mentioned. So somewhere you can see small size, somewhere you can see big size, something has with leaf, something without leaf, something single piece is there, something many pieces are there. Okay, so what are the possibilities of images? All the one we have to store. Then only the system will detect this. Next, we have to train the machine with the label. So here the AI machines are there. That AI machine we are training. We are giving the training to with that image. So each and every image we are given the label. Okay. Then it will be scanned and it will be stored in the system. So it is a training data. Next, testing data. We are showing one apple here. One apple. Visible? This one apple we are showing. Testing data apple. Okay. Then the output we will get. Machine will identify the image and it displays as a apple. Okay. First you give attendance, then we will go to the next approach. First A section. When I call your number only you have to tell. Okay. 104.
Present, sir.
Okay. 7 Lakshita Thakur.
Present, sir.
8 Neelam Sisodia.
Present, sir.
9 Sania.
Present, sir.
10 Shyali Singh.
Present, sir.
11 Sarasta Banerjee. Sarasta. Okay. 12 Sristi Panchal. Sristi Panchal. Tamanna.
Present, sir.
14 Vibhagada.
Present, sir.
15 Akash Saxana.
Present, sir.
Then 16 Akash Saxana.
Present, sir.
17 Aryan Kumar. Okay. Then 18 Abhibhav.
Present, sir.
20 Akash Vijay.
Present, sir.
22 Aryan Vijayajya.
Present, sir.
23 Ayush. Okay. Then 25 Garvit Kumar.
Present, sir.
26 Irania.
Present, sir.
29 Hardik Saini. Hardik Saini. Okay. 31 Mohammad.
Present, sir.
32 Saurabh. Saurabh Kumar. Okay. 35 Vishesh Kumar.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. 37
roll number present, sir.
Viren.
34.
Okay. 34. Okay. Next B section 201.
Present, sir.
26 Irania. Okay. Marked. 202 Jaya Panchal. 4 Lachida. Okay. Lachida Gautam. Okay. 6 Mohini Shukla.
Present, sir.
7 Megha Chuppa.
Present, sir.
9 Parul Vijayawal. Next Prabhalinkar. Okay, once you had given the attendance, no need to enter in the chat message. Whose mic not worked, there you can enter in the chat message. Okay, 12 Priyan Sikri.
Present, sir.
14 Supraja. Okay, then 15 Swati.
Present, sir.
17 Aditya. Okay, Bhavya. 20 Chinmay.
Present, sir.
22 Dhruv Prajapati.
Present, sir.
23 Garvit Kumar Sharma.
Present, sir.
Garvit Sharma. Okay, 24 Hardik Jain.
Present, sir.
25 Harsayir.
Present, sir.
26 Mani Subhadaya.
Present, sir.
28 Parth Saini.
Present, sir.
31 Visabayir.
Present, sir.
32 Ritesh Kochar.
Present, sir.
Next 34 Soro.
Present, sir.
35 Ujjwal Bhatt.
Present, sir.
Next 36 Vishal Kinchi. Vishal.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. You have any doubt in the rule-based approach? If you are having any doubt, you can enter. Then we will go to the next approach, learning-based approach. Any doubt in rule-based? Nothing is there. Here we are giving all the rules, and the same thing we are giving the data. Okay. So based on that, the machine will be performed. The machine not thinking anything in itself. Okay. Yes. It's an obedient servant. Next. Learning-based approach. Learning-based approach refers to the AI modeling where the relationship or patterns in data are not defined by the developer. The developer, rule-based approach, everything is decided by the developer only. But here in the learning-based approach, the data are not defined by the developer. What is the relationship? What is a pattern of the data is not defined by the developer. And rules, what is the rules? That is also not decided by the developer. In this approach, random data is fed to the machine and it is left on the machine to figure out patterns and trends out of it. So the machine will find the pattern and trends based on that data. Whichever you are feeding the data randomly to the machine. So generally this approach is followed when the data is unlabeled and too random for a human to make a sense of it. So thus the machine looks at the data, tries to extract similar features out of it and clusters the same data sets together. In the end as output, the machine tells us about the trends which it observed in the training data. So here the developers will give the data, it is not identified. Randomly they are giving the data. But the machine will find the patterns and relationship according to maybe size or maybe color or maybe attitudes, something. So finally it will be trend. What is the trends of the data? That is a learning based. You can see, for example, suppose you have a data set of 1,000 images of random stray dogs of your area. In your area, you can see many dogs are available, many cats are available. You can take any one. For example, we can take the dogs. Many dogs are there, many colors are there, many shapes are there. So we have to capture all the images. Please mute your mic, otherwise disturbance will be there. Mute your mic, okay. So 1,000 images. So maybe size may be different, color may be different, attitudes may be different. Okay, shape may be different, anything different. We are collecting 1,000 images of the dogs. Now you do not have any clue as to what trend is being followed in this data set. We don't know about that one. So we are not classifying that one. We are not separating that one. We are not finding the data set. Now we are giving all the one together. Thus you put it into the learning approach based AI machine and the machine would come up with the various patterns. It has observed in the features of these 1,000 images. It will observe each and every images, then it will analyze or it will be clustered based on the basis of color or basis of the size or basis of the style. It might also come up with a very unusual clustering algorithm which you might not have even though of it. Just you see this diagram, there you can understand about that one. See, the first image unlabeled. Actually, in the rule based, what we used to do? Labeled data set we used to do. Apple, what are the various size of the apple, various size of the banana, various color, everything we used to do there. But here, there is no label. All the dots, various size, various color, various shape, various styles are available. We are capturing all the images. Okay, then we are giving the training to the AI machines. Giving the training to the AI machines. Learning approach AI model. That model, it is getting the training. Then you to provide the output, you see. First image and second image, two images it is providing. First image observed by the machine That is based on the patterns. Based on size first, left and right side you can see based on the color. So what are the similar colors now? Same color, that is another one group. So what are the similar size now? That is another one group. So this like it will find the patterns. So in the role based approach we are giving the role also and data also. That means role being here we are giving the image with the label. Okay, and the data we are showing the training data, no testing data. That is the on apple we are showing, no, that is the data. We are finding the output, that is apple or banana. That's it. But in the second approach now, that is the learning based approach. Here we are giving all the data, but we are not identifying the patterns. There is no pattern. We are mixing all the sizes, all the colors, all the styles, all the one together. Okay, then the AI learning based approach machine will find the patterns based on the size or based on the color or maybe any other attitude is there or property is there. According to that also it will be confirmed. That is a learning based AI. Very clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? Okay.
No, sir.
Next we can say it is not given in your book. So if you need, you can note in your notebook also. 3 type of machine learning, or we can say that is a family of machine learning. Family of machine learning models. Okay, or we can say type of machine learning models. So 3 categories are there. One is supervised learning, second one unsupervised learning, third one reinforcement learning. So each type I will give one online model. So you can practice in your home also and you can be familiar and you can understand how it is working. The first one that is a supervised learning. Mainly they are using for classification purpose and regression purpose. So classification, for example, fraud detection, email spam detection, diagnostics and image classification, there and all we can use the supervised learning. For example, the first approach, rule based approach, that also we can use this one, supervised learning. Second one, that is a regression. Risk assessment and score prediction, there we can use the supervised learning. In unsupervised learning, dimensionality reduction, that is a text mining, face recognition and big data visualization, image recognition, there and all we can use the unsupervised learning model. And or we can see another one, cluster is there, biology, city planning, and targeted marketing. There also we can use this unsupervised learning. Next, reinforcement learning. There we can try, for example, this model, the gaming also they are using this model, and finance sector, manufacturing, inventory management and robot navigation, robot walk now, that also we can use this also. These are the models that I will show one demo. There you can understand more and more about this one. Okay, now I will give the sharing of. Just you hold it, I will give that model demo. I will demonstrate you how to use, then in your home you can practice. Okay? Here, student? It is also one of the Google app only. Now I will give the sharing. You can see in your screen. Able to see teachable machine. Okay, student? Able to see or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So first you have to open this teachable machine dot with google.com. So you open the Google, there also you can enter teachable machine. There you can find this URL. Here you click the get started button. Get started button. Then it will open one more screen. There you can see new project. Open an existing project from your drive. Open an existing project from your file. Okay, here we can practice the image project, audio project and post project. Okay. So suppose you already have the file in your drive that you can open using the first option. Then second, that is opening the file from your hard disk. Suppose you already created project, then you downloaded that project in your system in that you can use it. The first one that is the image project. If you want to start the new one, you select the new project, you click the new, then it will be open. So teach based on images from files of your web camera. You can, suppose you are storing the images in your file that you can upload, then you can test that one. Another one, you can use the web camera. So most of them having the web camera in your mobile, maybe you can use that one. I will demonstrate you using two classes you can find. Okay. So I am selecting the new project. In the image project I am selecting. So the class 1 is given now. Class 1 I am giving here, for example, my names I am giving. Okay. Myself. Then here I am capturing the image web camera. You click the web camera. It is a class name I am giving. Okay. Just you see. Then class 2, for example, book. Okay, actually camera is shared here, na? So only it is not coming there. 1 minute after record, then I am coming back. Okay. Just you hold 1 minute, and I am recording. Then after that I am coming. Okay. Otherwise, when you hold the book, also same thing will come. No, the same thing only coming here. Actually, when you are having two camera, na, then easily can do. Because one camera is in the classroom, another one camera I got this, na. So you hold 1 minute in the classroom. I will record the image, then I am coming back. Okay. students for waiting. Now I am screening the salary. Okay, because I am recording that image. Can you see now? Students audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Actually, what should do? Here I am using the one single camera, na? So already. First, we have to create the image. See. So you select the first one image project. Once you select the image project, class 1, class 2, that like is there, na? There we have to enter the edit the name. For example, first I can enter the myself. Then second I am creating one more class, that is a book. So here two options is there, no? Webcam and another one upload. So suppose you are having the image in your file, you can select the upload. Then you can select that file. Suppose you want to capture the image using your web camera, you click and hold that web camera, then you show the image, automatically it will be captured. It is within a fraction of second, it will capture many images. You can see. Able to see or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you try. Easily can understand. Okay. Second image, I am showing the book. Actually, I am showing the book in the different direction. You see. Then third keyboard, I am showing keyboard. Able to see now? That is a keyboard. Now, second stage. First stage is over. I am taking only 3 class only. One class is myself. Second one is a book. Third one, that is a keyboard. Second stage, what should do? Second option is that is a train model. Just click that button. We have to train before go to the preview. Before go to the preview, just you have to give the training. Train the model. Now the training is going on. It will take some time. You hold it. Preparing training data. Here the advanced tab is the bottom. You can change the settings. Suppose you want. I am using the default settings only. Wait. After over the class you try, now you listen. It will take some time because images are occupying more space. So it is giving the training na. So according to the internet speed and upload, want to upload all the images, then only it will be complete. Don't switch the tabs. So when the training is going on, we should not, we should be wait. Now it is going on, na? Yes. Now the training is going. So the machine learning that one, which he had given the image with label. After that, I will show the image, how it is detecting, you can see. Actually, when we use the 2 camera, it is comfortable. We will try. Otherwise, I will bring tomorrow 2 camera, then I will show you. Okay. So before that, preview. You go to the preview. There is upload shareable link. Now you see in front of camera I am standing. What is showing the status output? Able to identify or not? Students?
Yes, sir.
Now able to identify now? Now you see.
Yes.
Now I will show the book. You see. 100% is showing myself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The book. Whether it is identified or not.
Identifying, sir.
It is a book. So it is identifying the book. Now I am showing another one. Whether it is identified or not, you see. Because myself, my photo is coming now, so it is identifying. The book. Actually, it is a book like this, so it is showing as a book. Understand or not? Now I am showing one more. You see. It is confusing. Which object will be there? That like is confusing. Because my shirt was a black color, na? So this speaker was a black color. So sometime it is showing myself. Sometime it is showing keyboard. Because the keyboard color also black. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is identifying based on the color or the size, that like. Next I am showing the keyboard. You see. Keyboard. Understanding? How much percentage?
100.
100%. Because other image is not there. Now I am showing my face also, you see. What is happening? Myself also coming and keyboard also coming. Clear or not?
Yes,
Now I
sir.
am showing
Yes,
the book
sir.
also, you see.
Yes, sir.
Book also I am showing.
Yes, sir.
So it is identifying 3 objects. Now I am hiding my face. What is happening? So this is a function of this machine learning approach. Understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, so this type you can scan, you can create many classes, there you can store many images of that object. After that you can show and identify whether the system is identifying or not, that you can see. So this is a method of working this model. Then not only this image, another one is there, audio is there, that I will show you. So this is one image project. Then another one is there. Suppose you don't know how to use me, in here some sample videos given. So left top corner you can see 3 line teachable machine. Able to identify or not? There you can see gather sample, train your model and export your model. So using that also you can understand how it is, how we have to use this model. Clear? Then here export model, once you click the export model now, there you can have options, upload, that is a shareable link, and another one that is a download, you can download as a JavaScript. Actually this machine now, it is writing the coding, we are not writing anything. We are simply scanning the image and uploading, that's all. Training the machine. So the machine itself, it is writing the coding. We don't want to write any programming here. Okay. Then download the model. After downloading, you can store in your computer or you can store in the drive. Anywhere we can store. Okay. That is only. So you can try. So once you create the class and train the system, train the machine, then you can use any of your website or any of your program or any of your AI system, you can use it this one. So wherever need that you can use it this one. Okay. Next one more is that is a audio file. Here you can save also. Suppose you want to save the project to drive. Here you can select. Suppose you want to download the project as a file, you can click this also and you can save it. Are you clear or not? Any doubt? Potato, phone, everything you can show. So it is identified based on the color or size or something that you can verify. So once you are giving the clear image, then it will be identified 100%. Actually, this AI system, it is recognizing 97.75%, but the human 97.25% accuracy they are telling. So you can also try. And one more is there, audio is there. One more option, you can try that also. Audio, you cannot store the lengthy audio. Short audio you can store. Yes, I am exiting. Here now audio project. Once you click the audio project, here you can click the use the mic. Various mic you can use. But the sound now you cannot record more than 1 second. So you can give, for example, name you can give background and you can give cloud. Okay, so that how it is recognizing. So after how we are storing the image, after that we trained and we found the premium, same thing you can also check that line. So first you have to store the sound, background sound, train sound, flight sound, dog sound, and cat sound, and our sound. That like you can store many sounds. After that you can test this also. And that last one is there, that is a post project. It is identifying the part in our body. For example, hand, whether you are keeping the hand up or down, that like it should be identified. So there also you can try. So this 3 options you can try and you can find how the machine learning model is working, that you can find. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you can ask. So it is your homework today. So everybody has to try and find how it is working. Pose actually that is you have to use with the camera only. But we will try. Here also same thing, that like webcam. But actually here only one camera is there. So you try in your home. Okay, you try. Then tomorrow we will discuss. Here you can see my image, how it is pointing, that also you can see. So this type you have to store. So you have to create the class and we have to store the images. Then you can test. Yeah, it is link is not difficult. First I will teachable machine. I will give in the chat window also. Teachable machine that you enter in the Google, there you can find. Teachable machine. Here I had given in your chat window, so you can try. Otherwise, you open the Google, there enter teachable machine. Okay. It is for the supervised learning. This machine is a supervised learning model. Then unsupervised and another one reinforcement I will show you tomorrow. Then after that we will go to the another one very important concept, that is a decision tree. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Anybody joined later? (124) Chandraveer. Any other joined later? So you try this 3 type of project: image project and audio project and last one, that is a post project. The first and last you need the web camera, then the second one you need the mic. So there we can use the various mic also, various sound also. Then we can test that model. 218 already noted, Bhavya. Anybody joined later and not noted, given the attendance, you can give. Okay, thank you very much. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. So definitely, everybody, compulsory, you have to practice this project. Teachable machine, you have to practice. This is example for the supervised learning.
Answer.
Rania, already noted, 26, noted. Okay, thank you very much.